Art Friends, today we are going to draw a maple bar.
Yeah, we're going to draw a really cute maple bar, and we hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. Now, before we get started, we want to show you what the drawing is going to look like at the very end. Does this drawing make you hungry?
Yes.
I'm super hungry now. I really need a maple bar. But we hope you guys have your art supplies all gathered up and you're going to follow along with us. It's really fun, and this is a super simple lesson too. But you could also add even more things to finish your drawing. You could add a background. You could even add a whole stack of maple bars on top of this one that we're going to draw.
It's really cute, and I especially love the colors.
Yeah, me too. And also, we're using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Now, if you're using markers to draw with, you also want to make sure that you're using marker paper to draw on. That helps keep the markers lasting longer and also protects your table. Okay, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing the bottom of our maple bar. We're going to start over here, and we can draw a curve. I'm going to draw it curving out kind of like this and coming down. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to match that same curve on the other side of our paper. Yeah, and then we're going to come down here and we can connect. I'm going to turn my paper like this, and I'm going to curve the corner and come across. And this can also be a little wiggly too, so that it doesn't look straight. Donuts aren't straight. You don't want to use a ruler to draw a donut. You want it to look more like it's natural and doughy. There you go. That looks awesome.
Thanks.
And I like turning our paper because that helps make the line a little bit more smooth, even though we're not trying to make it straight. Oh, and you're adding the top. That's awesome.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to add the top too. But watch this. We're going to add the top, but before you finish the top, let's do this. I'm going to add even more like ripples like this, or drips. This is the maple sauce on the top. Yeah, that's cool. And I like that your little drips are off to the side. Okay, then let's make the maple sauce on the top. I don't know what it's called. Frosting? Maple frosting. We're going to make it look more 3D. Then I'm going to turn my paper like this again. And maybe this line across can be a little more smooth, but still wiggly. We did it. There's our maple bar, except we still need to
add a funny face.
Yeah, and you can change your funny face any way you want. I'm going to add 2 big eyes. Oh, wait, I'm going to add 1 eye here. And then this eye on this side is going to be winking. So I'm going to draw a sideways V. And if you want, you could add 2 eyes that are open. You could add the eyes really big. You can make them small. You can make the eyes even mad because it doesn't want to be eaten. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the mouth, and I'm going to draw it straight like this at the top. But you could also change the mouth any way you want. Mine's going to be sideways like this, and then I'm going to add teeth. So I'm going to draw this first, and then you can see if you want to draw it like this, or you can change it. I'm going to draw the mouth or the tongue sticking out like that. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. Oh, let's also add a little highlight right here in the eyes. And I'm just adding it on one eye, but you could add it on both eyes. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Also remember, during the funny face part, you can pause the video if you want to take extra time to add your funny face, especially if we went too fast. We did it! We finished drawing our maple bar, except we still need to do one more thing.
Color it!
Yeah, this part will fast forward again. So remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your drawings. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our cute maple bars. I especially love yours.
Oh, thanks. I love yours too.
Oh, and I also like the extra details that you added, like the eyelashes and the cute pink cheeks.
Yeah, our art friends could add even more details.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video right now to match our same coloring and add even more things to your drawing.
Like more donuts, or you could even draw yourself eating the bar.
Oh, yeah, that's what I want to do right now, is eat a maple bar. We used our Art for Kids hub markers to draw and color with. If you have the same set, we used 26 yellow for the donut part, and then for the maple frosting, we used 41. And then for shading, we used 24. It's kind of an orange color. And then the shading that I did on the frosting was 94 brown.
And then we used a white colored pencil to add highlights to the frosting.
Yeah, it makes it look shiny and also tasty.
We hope you had fun drawing a maple bar.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.